Welcome to Eroica. Sick! So we're out here with Brooks, and I'm actually going to do the ride with my little one, which is going to be pretty sick. So we're only going to do the 46k, so I think it's 30 miles. So it's going to be quite fun. Right, so Eroica day. Got the bike seat, got the baby. Going to head down to the start line. Off we go. Just need to find Juliet. You ready? Cool, let's go. How nice is this for a morning? It's so sweet. They're having directions, but everyone's doing a different ride to me. So I'm only doing a little one with a kiddo. But oh my god, I'm so stoked today. It's going to be rad. Right, so we haven't even started the race yet. We've had one brake fail, one blowout. Someone that's got pedal cages that are literally this big. So we're just going to get that sorted at the shop, and I think we're going to crack on. So it's going quite well so far. So this is my bike actually, I don't know if I've shown you all. So look, here we go. We have the burger. This is like classic Eroica, right? You get your bikes, you ride your bikes, probably about 5 meters. All your bikes break, you then come back, get your bikes fixed, and then hope you can make it to the end of the ride on your bike without it breaking. So we're well on the way now. Juliet's sick. So
I am always sick.
pop over to Juliet's channel and give her a get well soon comment and say well done for finishing this, because she's going to finish it. But the thing about having a kid is we're literally always sick at the minute. You're not actually officially allowed to do this with a kid. I should probably point that out. But we also know the organisers. So out the gravel climb, the first one. I don't know if it's going to work. I've got a little helper to push me, so it'll be quite fun. Yeah, it's a steep climb, and my gearing's pretty pants. Making excuses earlier. You ready? So I just pinned it out the first climb. That was quite fun, I must admit. Like, it was a bit of a pin now. It's definitely like threshold efforts. And now it's a descent, which might be a bit sketchier, but. there's quite a few people with kids actually. It's pretty mega. Three. I've seen 3. Hey, look, you can say hello. Wicked. Everyone stops. Every 2 seconds, everyone stops. I suppose I need to like get used to it. Stopping, starting, stopping, starting, stopping, starting. But it's rad. So this is pretty epic. I can't lie. It's good fun. Really good fun. Cool. It's been a while. The last time I did this ride was 2013. And we're actually getting through it pretty quickly, despite all the stopping and starting and sightseeing. So I might have to start stopping for longer. How are you finding it?
It's wonderful, I love it. I mean, I feel pretty ill though.
Yeah, Juliet's currently sick.
But I love this, it just makes me smile.
Yeah, my face hurts from smiling so much.
Yeah.
Getting quite a sweat on now though.
Yeah, I need to take this base layer off.
I'm wearing like a merino jersey. Yeah. I mean, I look cool, but Jesus Christ, it's hot. So when I was racing Gaiole, right, it was a lot of moustaches and flannel. Now, it's still a lot of moustaches, but in a different way. I always try and film when there's suddenly a climb and I have to change gear and I don't have push shifters, so give me 1 second. Right, now I'm back. I think we're like nearly 20 mile in, you know, which is kind of sucky because we're only doing 30. Really fun, really nice. I've got a bit of a workout because I'm carrying a little one. Massive thanks to Brooks for getting us out here, you know, awesome. So it's not often we get to do stuff as a family anymore, so it's nice, you know, we've got to all come out together, all do the ride together, and it's been a really good day so far. My kid is currently asleep, resting on my back. So yeah, thank you Brooks, thank you Bregan, thank you everyone, you all rule. We made it to the first checkpoint, and it's the only checkpoint because I'm only doing the short one. So we're 20 miles in, there's 10 miles left, and wow, it's been awesome. Right, I might have cracked and drank a few glasses of wine, so don't judge me as a bad parent. But technically, yeah, I'm drink riding with a child now. But I had a glass of wine, it's only one, right? Legal limit and all that. And we're going to crack on with the last 10 miles. It's been so nice to ride it with Juliet. My brake disconnected when I first started descending, and she got a bit worried. So she's been riding along next to us and she kind of lost the group, which is a bit sad because she really wanted to do a longer one. But it's been brilliant. I got to ride with Juliet, and this is like literally probably the 3rd time this year we've ridden together, and what a place to do it. So rad. I think all my videos lately have been like, how sick is this? This is sick. But I mean, generally it's pretty sick, right? Awesome. Right, so I think we're getting really near the end now. I'm slightly sad. Kiddo's woken up and she's having a blast. And she just wants to race everyone. And unlike me, who's very much used to losing, she does not like losing. Sad to be finished, definitely, genuinely. It's 2 awesome rides in 2 weeks. I'm feeling pretty lucky right now. That was awesome. I hope you all enjoyed watching this. It's Eroica, Italy, and there are loads around the world, so you might as well do one of them. Same as Gaiole, you know. That's all fun, and we did it with the family, which is also rad. So massive thanks to Brooks again for getting us out here. I hope you enjoyed. Click like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all soon. The next video is not going to be quite as exotic as this one and the one previously. I'll probably be, I don't know, riding my bike in Skegness or something less glamorous. But yeah, awesome. Right, see you soon. Bye.